The next question. Assalamu alaikum. This is Sabrina Azam from Bangladesh. Is it permissible in Islam to draw pictures or diagrams of animals for the purpose of academic learning, as animal painting is haram in Islam? Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, it is mentioned in Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith number 2225, as well as in Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 2110, Kullu musawwirin finnar, that every image maker, he will be in hellfire. And another hadith that is also mentioned in Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim, our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that one of the most severe punishments on the day of judgment will be to those people who make images, referring to drawing. And the drawing that is prohibited in Islam is the drawing of living things, for example, animals, human beings, birds, insects, etc., wherein you draw distinctive features of these animals, of these living things, of these humans, of these birds, of these insects, etc. For example, their eyes, their ears, their nose, drawing their face, etc. This is prohibited in Islam. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that the one who makes images of living things, on the day of judgment, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will tell him to bring life to these living things. So making these kind of images, it is completely prohibited in Islam. As far as for the purpose of education, can we yet make these images? Can we draw these pictures of these animals, etc.? Even for education, this should be avoided, except in situations where it is a necessity, because the ruling of the Sharia is al-darurat tubih al-mahdhurat, that things that are haram, in a situation of necessity, they are permitted. So for example, if a person or if a student is studying medicine, in this situation, he needs to understand regarding the human body. So he may need to work on a sculpture, or he may need to work on some pictures, etc. Similarly, the doctor, to understand the human anatomy, he needs to work on the sculptures, on the human sculpture, to have a better understanding. So the students who are studying medicine, they need to involve in this. So in this situation, when it is necessary, it is permitted. I would like to give you another example. If the police, they want to catch a criminal, for example, who's robbed or who's done some criminal activity, but they are unable to catch him, and there is a witness. So this witness, he knows the physical features and he knows the facial appearance of this person, of this criminal. So he describes this to the artist, and the artist sketches or draws the criminal's face. So in this situation, it is necessary to draw the face of the criminal so that the criminal can be caught easily. So in a situation where it is necessary, it is permitted to draw and to make images. Whereas the general ruling is that you should not involve in making images, drawing images of animals, of human beings, of birds, of insects, etc., wherein you draw distinctive features, for example, their eyes, their ears, their nose, etc.